friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking dried tortellini in the Instant Pot. So we need a package of dried tortellini and water. So let me open the lid of the Instant Pot and open dried tortellini and put dried tortellini in the Instant Pot. And I'm going to add 5 cups of water. It's already pre-measured. And now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 7 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here is perfectly cooked tortellini. And now the next step would be to drain the water. So I'm just going to use the colander, put it in the sink, and take the inner part of the Instant Pot and just drain water out of tortellini. And now if you want to add sauce, then it's best to do it by adding it back into the inner part of the Instant Pot, because the inner part is hot. So if you add sauce, the sauce will be heated through. And now let me add the sauce. So just add as much sauce as you like. And I'm going to mix it to distribute the sauce evenly, to coat tortellini with tomato sauce, or you can use any kind of sauce you like. And just leave it here for a minute and the sauce will get heated through. And now I can just remove tortellini from the Instant Pot. And I'm ready to try it. It's perfectly cooked. It was so easy to cook it in the Instant Pot. Now let's try it. So it's perfectly cooked. Pierce is so easy with a fork. So good. Perfectly cooked dried tortellini. Tastes amazing. You're going to love making it in the Instant Pot. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!